Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Dina teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have solved our exercise 4.5. I hope you all have done your home assignment. Yes students, while doing the addition of time and subtraction of time where you can commit the mistake, we will see. See here they are given one example that 3 students were asked to add 1 hour 45 minutes and 1 hour 55 minutes. Now we have to put correct for the correct answer and can you point out the mistake in a wrong answer. Now we will point out the wrong answers here. Okay. The first one, first students, what you have done? He arranged very nicely hours in hours, minutes in minutes column. Okay. Now when we have done the addition of minutes, so 45 plus 55 we have to add. Okay. So what is the addition? 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Here we are having 100 minutes. So we need to subtract 40 because 60 minutes means 1 hour. So when we subtract we get 40. So how many minutes are remaining? 40 minutes. He is supposed to write here 40 minutes and he is supposed to carry 1 hour. But he have done in this way? No. So this is wrong. So he have written the total wrong. What he have done? Simply what he did? Yes, he 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 0, 5 plus carry 1, 5 plus 5 0 plus 4 is 10, 0 here 1 he carried. So simple addition. How we do ordinary number in the same way he have done the addition. So the answer is wrong. Now let's see the second students what he have done. See, he have written minutes as it is in the minutes column and hours as it is in the hours column. This is totally wrong. See, you can do in this way, but later on what you have to do? The 100 minutes you have to convert into hours. How many hours? See here, if in minutes column more than 60 it is there, you need to convert. If it is 61 also, you have to convert it. If it is 60 also, you have to convert into hours. So here 100 is there. So the next step is 100 minus 60, you get 40. Then you have to write again answer has a 3 hours and 40 minutes. Okay. But he have not done. So where he committed mistake? He have written minutes as it is and hours also wrong. Now the third student we will see. Now what he have done? He have done the addition of both. The answer is 1 hour and the answer is 100 minutes. So he have converted into hours. That is 1 hour 40 minutes. So 40 have written in minutes column and 1 he carried to the hours column and he have added all hours together. So this students have done correct. He also done wrong. Understood? So this mistake you don't do while solving by your own. Now we'll move to the next concept. Now today we are going to see the time interval. Okay. Now time interval is the amount of time that has passed between the start and the end of an activity. Now we will see by one example. See the example number 1. A film show started at 6:45 a.m. and ended at 10:30 a.m. Find the duration of the film show. So now here time duration is equal to the time interval between 6:45 to 6:45 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Here both the times are given in a.m. only. Now when both the times are in a.m. or in p.m. the time interval can be found by subtraction. Okay. So here we subtract as shown. So write 10:30 a.m. has, see 10 is hours and 30 is minutes. So write in this way hours column and minutes column, 10 hours 30 minutes and the second one is 6 and 6:45. So 6 write in hours and minutes. Okay, now 30 minus 45 we cannot subtract. So what we have to do in that case? We have to take borrow from 10 hours. So 10 hours will give 1 hour. So here 60 plus 30. 1 hour means we cannot write 1 hour here because here minutes are there. So we need to give minutes only. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 60 plus 30 is 90. Now we can subtract. 90 minus 45 is 45 only. See how? 0 minus 5, we can't cut the 0 right as it is, take borrow from neighbor. 10 minus 5 is 5, 8 minus 4 is 4. Now here we are having 9, 9 minus 6 is 3. So the time interval is 3 hours 45 minutes. Are you getting? I'll repeat once again. So the time duration is equal to the time interval between 6:45 am to 10:30 am. So here both the times are given in am only. See here, when they are given, when both the times are in am or pm, both the times is same, am and suppose pm are there. So what do you have to do? You have to go by subtraction. Clear? Yes. Now next example. See, a train started from Delhi at 9:50 am and reached Kanpur at 2:30 pm. Now find the duration of the train journey. Now see, here one time is in am and one time is in pm. See here, am and pm. Now for this, what do we have to do? See the methods. Now train started from Delhi at what time? 9:50 am. Then it is in the morning time, isn't it? Then what comes after that? Once 12 will be there, after that we start writing pm. So 12 noon will come. Then after that what will come? 2:30 pm. So we have to find out between these times. So 10:50 to exact time you can write 10 o'clock. So 10:50 to 10 o'clock, how many minutes are there? 10. Then 10 to 12 directly 2 hours, and 12 to 2 2 hours, and 2 to 2:30 30 minutes. So when you add these all together, see 2 plus 2 is 4 hours and 10 minutes and 30 minutes means 40 minutes. So what is the answer here? 4 hours 40 minutes. Are you getting? See, you have to find out in this way. When they are given, one time is in AM and one time is in PM. So you have to observe properly and you have to solve. Okay? Clear? Yes, very good. Now the same question, how we can solve with method 2. Now let's see. See, convert into 24 hours clock system and subtract. So you can subtract simple, okay, as you do subtraction of time in the same way. For that, what you have to do, you have to convert the time in 24 hours clock. Now 2:30 PM means, see, it comes after 12 noon only. So after 12 we have to go with 13 and 14. See, 2 hours. So 12 after 13 and 14, 14:30, and the next is 9:50 AM. So AM will remain as it is. So it is written as it is. Now we can go for the subtract. Now 30 minus 15 we can't do, so we need to take 1 hour borrow. So 14 hours, if we give 1 hour means here 60 minutes. So 60 plus 30 is 90. Now we can subtract. 90 minus 50 is 40, 13 minus 9 is 4. So you have both the methods. You can go for any, okay? doesn't matter. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will solve our exercise 4.6. What is the first question? Find the time interval between the following. We will solve. First one I will solve for you. 6:30 a.m. and 8:10 a.m. See, for the time interval just now we have studied when they had given both the times in AM and AM. What you have to do? You can find out by subtracting, isn't it? So here for the subtraction you have to take first greater number, isn't it? And the smaller number you have to subtract. Now this is what 6 is hours and 30 is minutes. So write first greater 8, 10 and 6, 30. Now we have to subtract here. Now 10 minus 30 we can't do. For that we have to take 1 hour borrow from ours. So if he will give 1 hour here, so here what we have to add? 10 plus 60 is 70. So here we'll write 70. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. So what is the time interval between this? The answer is 1. Sorry, don't write it this way. 1 hour. Minutes. Clear? Yes. Third one I will solve for you. Now see, third one is very interesting. AM and 2:15 PM. See, now in this question they had given one in AM and one in PM, isn't it? Now I'll solve this question in both the way. Okay, now we will see. First, for that we have seen method 1 and 2. Now here 4:30 is there. Okay, 4:30 after AM, after what will come? 12 noon will come, isn't it? Then 2:15 PM will come. So write 4:30 first. Then 4:30 after what will come? Yes, go 1 hour, 5:30, isn't it? Then 6:30, 7:30. Yes, is it correct? Yes, exactly. Then 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Then stop here at 12. Okay, here it starts PM, isn't it? So here, or else you can write 12:30 also. Okay, doesn't matter. Don't stop here, just keep in your mind AM and PM. I'll go with 12:30, 1:30, 2:30 we cannot write because here it stops at 2:15 only. Okay, so I'll end with 2:15. Now between 4:30 and 5:30 how many hours are there? 1 hour. And between 5:30 6:30 1, 6 to 7 1, 7:30 to 8:30 1, 8:30 to 9:30 1, 9 to 10 1, 10 to 11 1. Here 1 hour, here also 1 hour, but here keep in your do it properly. 1:30 to 2 o'clock, till 2 o'clock 30 minutes, then 12:15 it is 15 minutes. So how much time it become? Yes, 30 plus 15 45 minutes. So we will add all 1 plus 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 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 plus 45 minutes. So what is the answer here? 9 hour 45 minutes. Clear? Yes? Is that clear? Yes. But here in the second way shall we solve here with method number 2? Yes. For the method number 2 what you have to do, students? This is what? Answer. Okay. For method 2 you have to convert into 24 hours clock system. See, 4:30 a.m. will remain same 4:30 only, and 2:15, see it's after 12 o'clock, so 2 means 13 and 14, 14 15. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract from greater to smaller. So right here 14, 15 and 4:30. Now 15 minus 30 we can't do, isn't it? So for that what we have to do? Yes, we have to take borrow here from 14. If he will give 1, 60 plus 50, 15, 5 and 7, 75 here, and here 13 will remain. Now 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 13 minus 4, count after 4 till 13 comes, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See the answer? Same, 9 hours 45 minutes. Clear? Understood? Very good. Now we will solve our B question. Now what is the B question? Find the time interval between the following. Okay. Now first example I'll take for you. First one, 4:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. Now see, here also they are given one time in AM and one time in PM. So what do you have to do? See, write time here 4:30, the next 5:30, next 6:30, 7:30, the next 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, then 2:30. See, exactly it is. So just we have to count between this all hours. 4:30 to 5:30, 1, 6:30 to 7:30, 1 hour, 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour, 8:30 to 9:30, 1 hour, 9:30 to 10:30, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 and 1. Let's we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer here? 10 hours. Yes? Understood? 10 hours. Clear? Yes. Now I'll solve third one for you. First, a film started at 11:15 a.m. and got over at 2:10 p.m. How long was the film? See, we have to find out the film how much it was long. So, the given information is a film started at what time? Yes, 11:15 a.m. and got over, okay, at what time? 2:10 p.m. So here we have one time is in a.m. and one time is in p.m. Okay, so start writing from 11:15 a.m. then 12:15, the next 1:15, the next 2:15 should come, but here it ends at 2:10 only. Okay, so here we can calculate here 1 hour, here 1 hour, and here 1:15 to 2 o'clock. How much it is? Yes, tell me. 1:15 to 2 o'clock. 1:15 after 30, 1:30 will come, 15 minutes, then 1:30 to 2 o'clock, yes, 45 minutes, then after that 10 minutes, add 10 minutes, yes, if we add 45 plus 10, 55, so here how many minutes are there? 55 minutes. So when we add together 1 plus 55 minutes means 2 hours 55 minutes. How long was the film? Yes. So write your answer. You can write the film was 2 hours 55 minutes long. Clear? Yes? Okay, fine. Now, the second one you are going to solve by your own. And the third one we will solve in our next episode. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.